Hi everyone, I'm Jun Bagabanga. I am BSIT 4th year student. Today I'm gonna share to you the 7 essential parts of computer. First is the motherboard. Motherboard, also called system board, is the main printed circuit board in the most computers. It allows communicating between many crucial electronic components of a system, such as the central processing unit and memory. Motherboard, as its name suggests, is often referred to as the motherboard of all components attached to it, which often include peripherals, interface cards, sound cards, hard drives, network cards, and so on. Most motherboards in computer are expandable. In this situation, you can replace the components as long as they are compatible. For example, you can choose to replace the hard drive with a larger one or SSD. Second, the computer central processing unit or CPU. The second important component of a computer is the CPU, also called the central processor. It's the electronic circuitry within a computer that executes instructions that make up the computer program. The CPU performs basic arithmetic, logic, controlling, and input-output operation specified by the instructions in the program. The CPU is the brain of the computer, so you can know its importance. Its main job is to carry out the instructions of computer programs that are stored in computer memory. In addition, computer performance may be affected by the CPU. The third one is the RAM, or the random access memory. Your computer RAM is essentially short-term memory where data is stored as the processor needs it. This isn't to become confused with long-term data that's stored on your hard drive, which stays even when your computer is turned off. Fourth one, HDD, a hard disk drive, sometimes abbreviated as the hard drive. HD or HDD is a non-volatile data storage device. It is usually installed internally in a computer attached directly to the disk controller of the computer motherboard. It contains one or more platters housed inside of an air-sealed casing. They can store operating systems, software programs, and other files using magnetic disks. More specifically, hard disk drives control the reading and writing of the hard disk that provides data storage. HDD are used either as the primary or the secondary storage device in computer. An SSD or solid state drive is a type of storage device used in computer. This non-volatile storage media stores persistent data on solid state flash memory. SSD replace traditional hard disk drive or HDD in computer and perform the same basic functions as a hard drive. 6. Monitor. The monitor is the sixth important component of the computer, even though the computer is great. But without monitor, it also would be useless. So when building a computer by yourself, you also need to choose a monitor. The monitor enables you to view the changes on your computer. Lastly, the power supply. A power supply is an electrical device that offers electric power to an electrical load, such as a laptop, computer, server, or other electronic devices. The main function of a power supply is to convert electric current from a source to the correct voltage, current, and frequency to the power the load.